That turmoil at the courthouse is happening just as a local case with national implications gets underway. Fulton County's top prosecutor now presenting evidence to a grand jury as she builds her case against the former president, Donald Trump.
Yeah, all eyes on Georgia, on Fulton County at this hour. Atlanta News First reporter Rebecca Schramm is live in downtown Atlanta. And Rebecca, any sign of potential witnesses there?
Don and Joy, we know of 3 people with ties to this investigation, including 2 former state lawmakers and an election consultant were spotted in the building. Now I kind of want to give you a picture of what we are seeing outside the Fulton County Courthouse. Besides that unrelated protest that Bridget just told you about, it's been mostly calm but bustling out here, as you can see, as journalists from across the country and beyond gather to find out anything they can about this grand jury process, which, as always, is happening in secret. Sheriff's deputies on motorcycles circle the Fulton County Courthouse, and journalists with cameras straying to see who's coming and going as a grand jury meets to decide whether to indict former President Donald Trump on charges related to alleged interference in Georgia's 2020 election. 2 people have confirmed to us they've been called to testify Tuesday, including independent journalist George Cheedy and former Georgia Lieutenant Governor Jeff Duncan. The Republican, a vocal critic of the former president, is now a CNN commentator.
And I'll certainly answer whatever questions put in front of me, and certainly don't want to go any deeper than that to jeopardize or compromise the investigation. But look, for me, this is a story that is important for Republicans to hear, Americans to hear. Let's hear the whole truth and nothing but the truth about Donald Trump's actions and the surrounding cast of characters around him.
It's possible Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis will pursue racketeering charges against Trump and others.
We watched a series of events happen here that were tragic and untruthful, and he's got a chance to present these facts and say, hey, I didn't know what was going on, or I think what reality is going to be is they knew exactly what they were doing.
Now, we know that in past racketeering cases, DA Willis has taken 2 days to present evidence before a grand jury, so we could know by tomorrow evening if there are any indictments. Live in downtown Atlanta, Rebecca Schramm, Atlanta News First.